Most people think hair loss is all about hormones, but there's a hidden repair signal no one talks about. And when it shuts down, your hair thins no matter how many treatments you try. We blame genetics, stress, hormones, and yes, they all play a role. But here's what almost every dermatologist overlooks. Your hair follicles are mini organs, and like every organ in your body, they depend on stem cells to regenerate and stay active. In your youth, those stem cells are firing constantly. That's why your hair is thicker, darker, stronger, and regrows faster. But after age 30, sometimes earlier, your body stops producing the copper peptide GHK-Cu, which is the activation signal that tells stem cells in hair follicles to wake up. No signal equal follicles shrink, hair strands miniaturize, growth cycles shorten, eventually follicles go dormant. So the problem isn't just hormones, it's cellular repair shutdown. Today I'll show you how to reactivate that signal. Let me share 3 tips. Tip number 1. Reactivate follicle stem cells. Instead of just blocking DHT or rubbing oils on your scalp, focus on reawakening the stem cells inside the follicles. When GHK-Cu and growth factors are restored, your scalp literally switches back to growth mode. This is why some people see baby hair return, not from products, but from internal repair activation. Tip number 2. It's not too late. So many people think, my hair is gone, nothing will work. But studies show dormant follicles can be reactivated even after years, as long as the signal returns. Your body still knows how to grow hair. It just hasn't been told to. Tip number 3. You don't need harsh drugs or transplants. Most hair loss products fall into 3 failure categories. Blockers, like DHT blockers, is temporary. Stimulators, like Minoxidil, forces growth but weakens the follicle long term. Cover-ups, transplants, and cosmetic fibers. These don't address the core issue, repair signaling. When you reactivate the root system, your body does what it was always designed to do. If you're tired of guessing, I invite you to take the next step right away. I offer a free 30-minute health consultation where I'll help you understand, is your hair loss hormonal, inflammatory, or stem cell shutdown? Is stress, adrenal fatigue, or insulin resistant affecting regrowth? How to naturally activate GHK-Cu copper peptide plus follicle stem cells without drugs. Comment here or click the link and let's rebuild your hair from the inside out.